we'll consider the chart to answer the following questions. We got a lot of information going on here. It is color-coded on purpose, and those colors are used throughout the entire chart. So part A. Approximately how many households in each region have adequately lit sidewalks? Well, if we go to the bottom there, namely right here, we see the percentage of the houses in each region that have adequately lit sidewalks. So for instance, it says 57% in the West, 46% in the Midwest, 35% in the South, and 51% in the Northeast. And then we have to use other bits of information in the chart, namely the number of households in each region. So to figure out the number of households with adequately lit sidewalks, we would have to take their corresponding percent multiplied by the number of houses in each region. I'm going to do this on the calculator. It'll be easier. So we need 50% of that 25,879,000 number. So 0.25 times, and let me just type in that number there. Oops. Oh, that's good. And hit enter. So it looks to be that there are 6,469,750 households with adequately lit sidewalks in the West. And let's do the same thing for the Midwest. 46%, 0.46 times its number of households. And it looks like we have 11,919,520 households with adequately lit sidewalks. In the South, we have 35%, so 0.35 times that 42,951,000 number. And there's 15,032,850 households. And lastly, in the Northeast, 51% times the number of households. And we get 10,766,100 households that have adequately lit sidewalks. So those four answers are the answers to part A. And now part B. How many more households walk as opposed to bike in the Midwest? Well, we're only talking about Midwest, so that's the greenish color. There are 37% of the households walk. That's supposed to be an arrow. And then we have why is it doing that? 19% of the households bike. So what we can do is we can find the difference of the percentages. 37 minus 19% is 18%. So 18% more of the households walk as opposed to bike. But notice the question says how many more, not what percentage. So if we do 18%, 0.18, times the number of households in the Midwest, 25,912,000, this will tell us the number of houses more walk than they do bike. And that looks to be 4,664,160. And part C, what percentage of households are in the South? Well, in order to do that, let me make the calculator go away first. In order to do that, we need to know the number that are in the South. And then we have to divide it by the number total, meaning the total number of houses. So we're going to have to add up all those four numbers in that box that I have on the upper left there. Once we get that, we can say times 100, and then we slap a percent sign on it. So typing all that good stuff in, I'm going to clear my screen. I'm going to put this over there. So the actually, what I'll do is I'll do that. We'll do boo-to-do, boop, 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 divided by. Now, that's the South. Oh, wait, no, that was not the South. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm not editing that out. All right, there's the South. I did it now. And now I'm going to say divide by, but I need to divide by all 4 of these numbers combined. So since I need to combine them, I'm going to put a parenthesis first. Now I'm going to start typing in the other numbers. Why doesn't he edit those out? Because and almost there. Let me make sure. I think I have an extra 1 in there. 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 4 zeros. Okay. Close my parenthesis. I'm going to hit enter. All right. And then I'm going to say times 100. Boop. And let's go to 2 places this time. So we would say 37.07% of the houses are in the South.